What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you're too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. Today we're going to take a look at how to make like ambient beats and melodies all from scratch inside of FL Studio. I'm super excited, so let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. So I just opened up Kontakt and let's just open up Analog Dreams. Ooh, okay, I kind of like this preset. I'm, by the way, using the new FL Key Mini. Expect, bro, expect. Wait, let me just like grab it 1 second. Exactly, bro. I got a fresh one right here, so expect a contest or either a giveaway. I'm doing something soon, so make sure to follow me on Instagram to stay updated. But I'm going to make someone happy, bro. So without further ado, let's just record these chords. So right away, let's add some reverb to this. I'm going to add 7 even. I don't know what it is with this reverb, but I really love the sound of it. Just listen to this, bro. Let's open up Kontakt again and Analog Dreams. Alright, let's change the preset of this sound because it's sounding a little bit weird. Right here, reverse this part like this. Like that. Chorus is also a good way to like make your melodies a little bit more spacier and ambient. I really love to add chorus to my melodies because it just like sauces up the melody like times 10 maybe. are going to go crazy. I can already hear the drums, so I need to add those now. Create an automation clip for the volume of like the ARP sound, and then we'll start with this one right here, and let's drag in the bass as well. Whoa, this beat is crazy, bro. I love the vibe. The melody reminds me of like some interstellar type of melody, like something really ambient and spacey, really cinematic and like movie wise. I don't know how to explain it, but it really has like a lot of attention to it, especially because of like the bass we've added right here. and right here. Also right here, what I did with the automation clip is just created an EQ right here in the verse. The 808 comes in, but I still wanted to add the bass in there as well on top of like the 808s. So I cut some lows out of the bass line just until like it's not clashing with the 808 and the bass, like the frequencies. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you especially learned from this. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys.